All right, so I think I can see that the mic is working. So if you follow us on Instagram, this is one of the hacks a lot of content creator moms like to use and say to put your kids' clothing in. I'm actually not quite ready to put all of his outfits in here yet, but I thought I would just come in here and say, this is what I'm doing. Baby's on the bed, don't tell the pediatrician. I'm watching him. He does roll, but he's pretty content. Okay, he just rolled. Okay, I'll be right back. By the way, I'm Selena, and this is my husband Kamal, and this is The City and Beyond, where we like to teach and inspire full-time employees to be the best part-time travelers. If you're enjoying this content, make sure you like it and share it with a friend. Let's start. All right, so I got the clothes. Some of these outfits, we're going to Tennessee, Knoxville, Tennessee for about 5 days, from a Wednesday to a Monday. We fly home Monday, we leave on a Wednesday to go there. Okay, be right back. It is almost bedtime, so I'm trying to do this kind of quick, and he definitely just pooped himself. So, content creator life with kids. Don't know how mommy vloggers do it so far. I'm sure we'll get better. Okay, so I have some onesies with like no outfit plans. So I guess I might just put these together. I don't know how I should be doing this. So I'm just gonna put those onesies together. These two, I'm gonna put these two together as well. You being okay over there? No, he sounds like the time is ticking. All right, so I have 4 onesies that are just like if he needs to change, or we want him to be extra cool. We want him to be extra cool because it's supposed to be Tennessee right now is about 90-degree days. A little nervous about that. And yeah, so 90-degree days. The nights are about 70. It looks like some nights have been 60, as low as 60, but I think while we're there, it might be 70s. Hey, you getting bored? He has this little shark outfit, I think. I don't know who got him this. I don't know if people care about the size. He's 5 months now, and he's really tall. So he had 6-month-old clothes, and I figure since we need to keep him covered, because if you don't know, babies under 6 months shouldn't wear sunscreen, and therefore I have like long clothing for him, and I figured baggy clothing. So some of the 6-month-old clothes fit him like just right, like it fits him, but some of them are like a little big on him. So I'm using that to our advantage. So it's like baggy pants, so it covers more of his legs. I'll be right back. What's going on, huh? What's going on, mister? What's going on, mister? Did you spit up in the bed? Whoa! Now he did. I feel like that's what you want. You want to be in the video? Is that what's happening? He wants to be in the video. Like, he's just staring at himself. You're like, what's mommy doing? All right, mom's trying to pack your stuff. Long, baggy. It's supposed to be lightweight items. That's my husband, if you can hear that. Kamal's here. So okay. It's not perfect. I feel like every time I see somebody else do these, they put it in all nice and neat. Maybe I'll fix it later. I don't know. So, and here's an example. It's like lightweight. I got this from Target. Lightweight, and it's long. And then I would have him wear like this on a day like we're going to the zoo. So I would put him, you can take him? There we go. Bye. Okay, so items like this we would have him wear when we're gonna be outside for a long time and there's a chance that he gets exposed to the sun. So actually I could fold it in a way that lets me see. This might be too much. Then it's like too thick. Okay, I don't think that's necessary then. To like make it so I can see like which thing. I know what it is. I don't think it's that necessary. I think my folding is getting worse and worse as we go along. I'm gonna try to put as much as I can before somebody has to go to bed, which is in, we have like 30 minutes, but Kamau's changing him now. So let's see how much I could do. Oh, so before I continue, one of the things that this is supposed to be really helpful for is like outfits that are together. So like if you have something that you want to make sure you put together and you could just pull out, this is what this is, I feel like mainly supposed to be really good for. So these little outfits, which I will say, I'm thinking it'll be helpful, but obviously I'll tell you later in this video if it ended up being helpful. So now on to like his sleeping stuff. We've been alternating between sleep sacks and just started letting him wear like pajamas with little feet, because we're wondering, because he's starting to roll in his sleep and it wakes him up, and we were like, maybe the sleep sack kind of restricts him a little bit more, like he can't really swing his leg, you know what I mean. So we started putting this on like Friday, today's Monday, and it seems to be, I don't know, you know, scientific, the stats or whatever, but as of right now it seems that it does help, or is helping. So we're gonna, I bought 2 of these. It came in a pack. He's gonna wear one tonight and I'm gonna take one on the trip, and then I'm gonna bring like 1 or 2 of his sleep sacks just in case. So I'm not sure if this will fit in there. This is one of his sleep sacks. It's from Carter's. Not sponsored at all, but this is one of his sleep sacks, and I don't know if that will actually fit in this, so I'm just gonna keep it out. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing with his other sleep sack, which is actually from Nested Bean. So this is the other one. We should have a referral link or something in the description, because I should be setting that up, but if not, sorry, or I'll cut this out. But yes, this one seems to be working pretty well. He's been wearing this for the, we borrowed this from my nephew, and he sleeps in this during the day because it's like a little cooler than wearing the other one that obviously looks more like for winter or something. It's like very fleece-like. So, and this one seems lighter, like lighter. So we were doing this during the day, this at night, because the AC is on, so it's kind of cool. They're good. We like them. But like I said, we've been doing the footed pajamas. I think that's everything for now. Burp cloths. I think I'm gonna put burp cloths in here. I'm not sure if everybody uses burp cloths. Apparently some people don't like them. I actually really like having burp cloths. So yeah, we use them all the time. I'm gonna stuff these in here as well. How many? Honestly, we use several per day, but we have a washer and dryer at the place that we're staying. So I need enough in the house, and I need enough for while we're there. We probably use if I had to guess how many burp cloths do you think we use per day? At least like 2 have to end up in the
2 to 3 a day.
Okay, I would say like 2 end up in the hamper by the end of the day, and those are the ones that we keep in the living room, and because we're with him in the living room. Then we keep 1 in our bedroom, 1 in his room. So like if he spits up a lot. He has reflux, so he spits up often, I should say. So and he's been drooling a lot, babies. So sometimes we just like are dabbing him throughout the day. So I would say at least 2. So that would mean in theory I need about 10. I will probably not bring 10, just because I don't remember how many we have in the house in total, but I would have to almost probably bring half of our supply, and we still need to live in the house for another day and a half, including today. So I'm gonna put, right now I have 6 in there. I feel like 6, and then a couple in his burp bag might be the best. This is my favorite one. Got it in the hospital. It's ginormous. I'm putting in his diaper bag for the flight, and I'll probably put it in the diaper bag for the flight home as well. This can hold up, like I could keep folding it no matter how wet it usually gets, and wipe up a lot. So if there's a big mess, I could just whip it out. I'm thinking maybe I should do 8 and do 2 more, but I need to see how much we have in his bedroom before I pack 2 more of these. And that's mostly what I'm putting in there. Next I'll show you what I'm putting in his actual luggage. That's a crib sheet, which I'm going to try to use on his pack and play when we're there. I'll show you how that goes. His blackout sheet to put around the pack and play to black it out either at night or in the middle of the day. We're not sure if we're going to use it, but it's pretty simple to bring. It's like a really big black cloth. We're bringing like pee-pee pads, like dog pee-pee pads, biodegradable version, because I don't want to be part of the problem or more of the problem probably. Plenty of diapers, and we're bringing about 30, and honestly if we run out we can go get more. So I was trying not to go too overboard, but I also wanted diapers that I know holds a lot, so like if we're out and about we don't have to change him as often, but also understanding that it is going to be hot, so we do want him to like change. We want him to be dry, and these diapers we know and like keep him dry. So with that said, that's why I brought so many. I guess that's not that many for 5 days, but that's why we bought, because we wanted the type that we like. Want to make sure he's dry. So we have, I don't know if I should say the brands, but it's Pampers and Coterie. So I don't know if that helps. The other things I have to pack is his diaper bag and the rest of the carry-on. Right now, if you want me to count how many outfits he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did not count the onesies because that's not like an outfit. That means I have 2 outfits more than the days we'll be there, so we should be more than good. And then there's 4 onesies for if he needs to like, the 4 onesies are just to like lay it out and about if we have to change him because he spit up or pooped, whatever. He hasn't had really, knock on wood, like bad accidents or anything, but you never know. And I packed 1 of his pajamas in here. I split it up just because I want to remember these are the outfits, these are the onesies real quick. I could say first row, third row. Hopefully I'll let you know if that works out. I don't think I'm going to store diapers in here. I've seen some people do that. And I could put his washcloths. I'll put that up here. Doesn't really need a whole row to themselves. Well, I got 2 washcloths, 1 for his face and 1 for his body. And then if we feel, we like sponge bathe him. We're probably gonna do his bath at home tomorrow before we leave. And then for the rest of the week, we'll probably sponge bath him. If that doesn't work, obviously we'll just give him a full bath because he's extra sweaty or whatever it is. I think we're done here. We'll see how much more I get to show you. Do this quickly because this light puts light inside of my son's bedroom, and Camilla is loading the dishwasher, so you might hear that in the background. Anyway, so I'm putting stuff in Auckland's diaper bag, and so obviously I see you have some diapers and wipes. I'm gonna have 5 cans of his formula. 4 or 5. Might seem overkill, but we want enough if there's a delay or a cancellation. I have 2 bags of emergency clothes in case there's an accident, and a boot, and socks, just in case. A medication bag, thermometer, sound machine, which I think I might put in a suitcase because we don't need it in a diaper bag. Same thing for one of his toys. I'm putting it in his suitcase, not the diaper bag. That's his outfit that he's gonna wear that day. And actually I could zoom this in a little. Sorry for the shadow. Has his sunglasses, which I'll put it in a diaper bag, but potentially inside of his carry-on. And there's a grip cloth. And this is just not a great time. But if anything, I'll do voiceover for all of this. And there's other stuff here. I went through most of the baby bag items, but a couple of additional shout outs. Clorox wipes for the plane, travel wipes container, medication bag, and a portable fan. Many of these items were helpful to be easily accessible. Overall, this trip was a success. As you can see here, plenty of auntie, uncle, and cousin time. Our Knoxville vlog will come out soon. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. Alright, update on this organizer situation. I think I'm digging it. I think if you have a big enough bag, especially, a carry-on size is fine, and then you fold it in. This has been so far very helpful, and one less thing, because if you look over here, mommy and daddy's things are not as organized. I have to kind of live out of her suitcase, but like I literally don't have to put this in a drawer. I could put dirty stuff back in. Like I made like a pocket of things that I took off of him and put in there. It's awesome.
Oops, sorry.
There's daddy. Hey.